Hello and welcome. Now today we decode the Sensex rebound. After last week of 765 point drop, the index is showing sign of relief. But is this a dead catch, bounce or the start of a fresh rally? Let's take a round of this. Now the market recap for the Sensex opened around 79,885 and is currently trading nearly 80,000. Top gainers including the SBI, Trent, NTPC and Tata Motors. The rally is backed by the foreign inflow and the stable global cues. FII has turned net buyers, pumping 1,932 crores, while the CPI data tomorrow could be the next classical. If inflation cool, expect momentum toward 81,000. Now for traders, a bull run spread between 80,500 and 81,000 could be a smart play. For intraday momentum, watch for the breakout above 80,500. Now, the Sensex is back in the game. But stay nimble. Now subscribe to our Human Capital, Human World for the daily market insights. It's your edge in the chaos market sites. Now let's start with the numbers. As of midday, August 11, Sensex is trading at the 80,125, up with the 295 point, with the 0.37% up. Nifty is also up by 100 point, now holding above 24,450. Bank Nifty is also green, up with the 200 points. Now this rebound follows a week of relentless selling. The key drivers today, with the foreign institutions investors turned net buyers after a week of outflows. Domestic institutions investors added over 7,700 week last year. Now for the supportive. Nasdaq hit a record high and the Asian markets are stable. Top gainers in the Sensex today include the SBI, Trent, NTPC, Tata Motors. On the flip side, ITC, ICICI Bank and SCL Tech are under pressure. Now for the macro signals and the CPI watch. Now let's talk a macro tomorrow for the August 12th. Now we get India's CPI inflation data, which is crucial for the market development. Now if CPI comes in below expectations, it signals cooling inflation, which means RBI may stay dovish. Consumer sentiment which improve. Equities get a tailwind. Now but if CPI is surprise on the upside, expectations volatile, traders will likely hedge and we could see profit booking near resistance zones. Now, after looming Trump 50% tariff on Indian exports, that's a witch card. If it escalates, sectors like the textile, chemicals and auto, clearly could face heat wind. Now for the technical setup, key levels, let's zoom into this chart. Sensex is approaching a psychological level of 80,500 to 81,000. Now here's what to watch for the supportive zone. For the 79,800 for the supportive and the resistance 81,500. If Sensex close above 85,500 today, it confirms bullish momentum. If it's failed to hold 80,000, expect sideways action for midday corrections. Also, note for Nifty has formed a 6 consecutive red weekly candles. Today's green close could be the first sign of reversal. If you are holding large cap stocks, this is a good time to review. Now the stocks like, let's deep dive into the first of the banking sectors like the SBI and the Kotak are showing strength. Autos for the Tata Steel is leading the charge. Power and Infra, NTPC and Ultratech Cement are gaining. Now avoid over pressures. to pharma, reality, and the mid cap unless you are hedged. These sectors are under pressure, which means if I told you pressure, in heavily pressure. Now closing with the CTA. So it is a part of start of a bull run. Today early to call, but the signs are promising. Watch CPI data tomorrow. Tracks Sensex close today and stay nimble. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment with your favorite Sensex stocks right now. This is Human World TV, where market meet a strategy. That's all. I shall see you soon.